Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are back with an Asian recipe, like Asian inspired Asian flavors recipe, and this one is pineapple chicken. It is sweet, spicy, savory. It's nice and thick in terms of the sauce and smells amazing. The chicken is crispy and golden brown, and everything works really well together, and it is super easy to make. So let's show you guys how to make pineapple chicken. Here we have 2 chicken breasts that we've cut into small pieces, cleaned, washed, all of that. With it, we're going to need a tablespoon ginger garlic paste, a tablespoon chili sauce, a teaspoon of Kashmiri, 1 egg, salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons flour, 1 tablespoon cornstarch. For the vegetable part, we need 1 green pepper and 1 red pepper that we've cut into big pieces. We also need 1 onion that we've cut into big pieces, 1 cup of pineapple. For the sauce part, we need 300 milliliters pineapple juice, not the syrup that comes with the canned pineapple juice. We'll also need for the vegetables 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. We also need here 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, a teaspoon chili flakes, a tablespoon cornstarch, and half a cup of water. So our first step is to marinate the chicken, and in a bowl we're going to add our chicken, ginger garlic paste, the chili sauce, Kashmiri powder, the egg, salt, pepper, flour, and cornstarch. And now we're just going to mix all of this together. So after you mixed everything together and you don't see the flour particles white anymore, now we're just going to cover it and we'll let it marinate for half an hour up to 1 hour. So it's been about 30 minutes, and now we're going to fry them in a pan of oil that we've already heated up. And in case you hear any background noises, it's because our oven is working. So now we're going to fry our pieces of chicken until they turn nice and golden brown. So once they're browned from one side, we're going to flip them to the other side. And we're going to let them get nice and golden brown from all the sides. So they've gotten nice and golden brown on all sides, and they already smell amazing. So now we'll take them off the heat and move to the next step. In the same pan, we just remove the oil. No need to wash it because we need all those flavors together. We're going to pour in the oil. And we're just going to wait for the oil to heat up a little. So once the oil has heated up, now we're going to add the onions and the peppers at the same time. And we're going to saute those. Going to season them with some salt and pepper just so that they don't taste bland. So after sauteing them for a few minutes, now we're going to add pineapple and we'll let them saute for a little bit more. So after a few minutes of sauteing them, just make sure to check for the texture, because some people will like it crispy, some people like it soft. Depends on your preference. I think I reached the desired texture, so now I'll take it off the heat, set it aside, and move on to the next step. So in the same pan, no need to wash it. You're going to pour in the pineapple juice. I've added a little bit more because I don't think it's going to suffice the amount of vegetables. So we'll add the pineapple. We're also going to add the sugar, chili flakes, vinegar, soy sauce, and a little bit of salt and pepper. Just stir it so that everything mixes together, and we'll let it reach boil. So while our sauce is getting ready to boil, now we're going to add the cornstarch to the water and we're going to mix it. So as you can see, it has started to bubble. Now we're going to slowly add in the cornstarch water mixture and stir it until you get your desired consistency. So as you can see, our sauce has thickened a little bit. Now we're going to add the chicken and the vegetables. And we'll let it sit together for about 2 minutes so that everything absorbs the flavors, and then you can serve it. So after you add the chicken, you're going to add the vegetables. Gently mix everything together. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, the sauce is nice and thick, and the chicken looks really nice and crispy and golden brown, and everything else gives it a nice vibrancy and color. And we've garnished it with some sesame seeds. So we've served it alongside some rice. If you want, you can serve it alongside some noodles or anything you want, really. It's the perfect balance of flavors because you have sweet and you have salty, you have spicy, and they work really nice and well together, and they make this great balanced dish that I absolutely really like. You'll enjoy every bite of this actually. So tastes good, and it smells amazing, so I highly recommend trying it. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me on my social media so you guys can support me to make more content. I'm available on Facebook, Instagram, Discord, and TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.